Yeah, so today we'll be talking about coinmarketcap.com. So coinmarket.com is a directory which lists all the different cryptocurrencies, exchanges, NFT, and so on. So I'll give a brief overview of coinmarketcap.com, and then I'll also show you a MetaMask wallet, which we have discussed earlier, and how to hop on from different blockchains. So let me tell you the differences between uh, cryptocurrencies. So these are the. So let me go a brief overview. So this is coinmarketcap.com. So if you are starting new, so this video is for educational purposes and not to for any investing uh, advice and all. So just take care to study, do your own research. So I'm just helping you how to go about it. About myself, I've got more than around 25 years of experience in IT industry. So I started with Web 1, Web 2, and now it's Web 3. So do a lot of projects and train a lot of people in blockchain, NFT, metaverse, and all these things. And please do feel free to ask any questions on the channel so that I can put up more videos in different areas where I'm familiar with, where I work in this field. So coming back, coinmarketcap.com is a website where you will have it's the Bible and all. So make sure that you do visit this site. So let me just go through it quickly. So these are the trending stocks. So this is per day. So let me increase the font so that it's a bit large and all. So yeah, so this is, so as you can see, there are 17,275 cryptos listed in coin market. So it's huge. Then there are 458 exchanges listed. So exchanges might be more. So exchanges are of two types. One is centralized exchange like Binance, WazirX, CoinDCX, since these are run by a company, and the money, the crypto is transferred from your wallet or your account to theirs. So these are all centralized. And decentralized, it's there is no middleman in between. So it's just buying and selling from one crypto wallet to another. So it's decentralized. Nobody has there is no person in between the buyer and the seller. So that's how the difference between a decentralized and a centralized exchange. And so there are 458 exchanges. Then we have market cap. So it's 1.7 trillion dollars. So you can imagine. Then this is the 24-hour volume of trading done since the last 24 hours, and this is the dominance. So Bitcoin, as you see, is 41.2% of the market. Sometime back it was 60%. So it means that people are investing in other coins. So, and there is something called altcoin. So what is altcoin? All the coins other than Bitcoin are referred to as altcoins. So Bitcoin is Bitcoin, as you all know, and then altcoin are all the coins except Bitcoin. So Ethereum, Matic, then IOTX, all these coins listed are known as altcoins. Then we have Ethereum, which has got around 18.7% of the market. So these two coins are almost controls around 60% of the crypto market capitalization. So you can imagine. So if you plan to invest, do some research on risk management. So how to manage your risk so that you don't wipe out your capital. So if you don't have capital while investing, then you can't invest tomorrow. So make sure you protect your capital, how much risk you're willing to take, and how much of your capital is exposed to the market. So there are a lot of YouTube tutorials, and we'll also be making a tutorial on that risk management in the times to come. But so this is the market dominance. Then these are the trending coins. So these are all risky coins, I'll tell you, and these are very volatile. So you can see this is almost around. So you can imagine the. So you can imagine the volatility. So it's almost around 300. So it's 3 times. It has increased 3 times in one day. So you can imagine. So if you put in $100, so I'll get $300 within 24 hours. So that's how it is. It's very volatile. So it can wipe out your capital just like it's moving ahead. So it also moves down. So always remember that. Now these are the list of coins based on the market capitalization. So Bitcoin is number one. Then we have Ethereum, Tether, BNB, USD. So all these are safe coins. And so Avalanche, Binance, Polygon, Shibu Inu, all this. Then also in cryptocurrencies there is something called stablecoin. So stablecoin is something which does not moves, like it's not volatile, it's fixed. Why? Because it is pegged to the US dollar, or it can be pegged to the like any currency. So the most popular is Tether. So Tether is the symbol is USDT. So this is always $1. So one Tether is always $1. So it's fixed. And since the dollar prices, it moves like a bit based on the different foreign exchange, foreign currencies. So that's how it's behaves. So it's always the value of Tether is always $1. So these are called stable coins. Then we have another coin called USD coin. So this is also valued at like around about the $1. Then so these are these things. Then we have, so these are the cryptocurrencies, and this is Bitcoin. Then this is the value of Bitcoin today is 38,483 US dollars. So the 24 hours it has gone up a bit. Then this is the 7-day average. This is the market capitalization of Bitcoin. So this is the volume of transaction amount, and this is the circulating supply. So we have 18 million, so almost 19 million of Bitcoins in the market. This is the last 7-day graph. So you can also customize it as you like, all these things. So this is Ethereum. So it's all easy to read about coin market. So this is about Ethereum. This is the price of Ethereum today. This is the 24-hour average. So you can also change it. My comp is, this recording comp is a bit slow, so that's why it takes time to move. Then we have this is the market capitalization of Ethereum. Then this is the volume of transaction. Then we have the circulating supply. So circulating supply, and then we have so this is the last 7 days. So the graph is moving a bit. So the price is going out. So it's green means up, and the red, as you see, this is red. So red means it's going down, and green means it's going up. So that's how it is. So this is Polkadot, all this. Solana we have heard a lot. Then Cardano, then Ripple. Now so this is all about this currencies. Then we can click on cryptocurrencies. Then it will go the different cryptocurrencies. Then there are different categories here. So we click on categories. So these are the different categories. So let's say we click on health. So what are the top health tokens by market capitalization? So as you see, like almost the whole of industry, the different industries, they do have different coins. They do have different coins. So do some research. So if the founders are good, if the founders of the project. So all these cryptocurrencies and all these are digital assets. There's no physical thing. And do check out the project, whether the project is started by the top guys, top tech guys, top professors of the top college, Harvard, MIT, Oxford, and whether they are well educated and whether they are tech guys and all. So naturally, like if they are good and knowledgeable, then the success of the project is there. But if you have somebody who is not that familiar, so he is trying to just make some cryptocurrency and then sell to in the market, and then just without completing any work after raising the capital through cryptocurrency. So that's called rug pull. So we'll also discuss about rug pull. So rug pull is something where you plan some project, where you pick up, where you launch an ICO, initial coin offering, and then you do a public sale. Then after like collecting the money, you don't complete the project and you run away. So that's also happens in crypto markets. So do take care of checking whether the project is good, whether the project will survive for 3-4 years, how is the competition, and whether they have the technical capability or the team to work on the project. So this is and then these are NFTs. So NFTs is non-fungible tokens. So we'll talk about this in the times to come. So these are the top NFT collections. So as you can see, this is on the Solana blockchain. So that's why I have to check out what is so these are the different NFT collections. So these are the price, and this is the sales volume today, and this is the market capitalization. So you can see the market capitalization of NFT, and this graph is going down. That means the NFT market is going down a bit, but in the times to come it will pick up. So this is the sales volume, this is the assets, all these things are there in details. So this is the upcoming NFT sales. Then these are the exchanges. So the top exchanges is Binance, then Coin Exchange, FTX, Kraken. So make sure that when you make a account in an exchange, study the exchange, how much volume it does, what is the liquidity, how many users are you, like how many weekly visits, then how many coins are listed. So in Binance we have around 403 coins listed, and like only the top coins where investors, where there won't be any rug pull, there these coins are stable, so they are listed here. So these are the exchanges. So in some exchange they have more coins, and as you can imagine, the total number of cryptos is 17,275. So only the top ones are listed in the exchanges. So make sure that if you invest in some coins which is risky, so it might wipe out your capital. So that's how it is. And since these are all based on software projects, so do check out the fundamentals, to check out what technology it is, like whether it's a coin related to a metaverse, where metaverse coins are picking up, like Sandbox and all these coins. So just go to these websites, then you will see the different exchanges. Then you can also make a portfolio. Then these are the cryptocurrencies based on ranking and all these things. So let me take you to Ethereum. So this is inside. So this is the price. You can also buy from this website. We have to connect your crypto wallet to it. This is the circulating supply of Ethereum. This is the volume last 24 hours. So this is the market cap. So if you click on here, the market, it all explains everything. So like you just have to hover on the mouse to understand all it is. So this is the website of Ethereum, and so these are explorers where like you can scan the blockchain. So we'll talk about all these blockchain explorers in the coming videos. This is the community websites where you will get all details about Ethereum, and this is the Twitter account of Ethereum, then the forums websites, then this is also chat and all where you can communicate, and these are the source codes. So let's click on the source code. So as you might be, like you might not be aware, all the cryptocurrency blockchain networks, these are all open source. So you can also set up a duplicate Ethereum network, a duplicate blockchain and then you can do programming, and then you can launch applications in your own blockchain. So a lot of large companies, they do that. They do have private blockchains. They develop financial applications. They develop different type of applications in the blockchain which is of use to them, and also some companies, they make products on the blockchain. So this is how it is. So these codes are there, so you can just, so these codes are easy, so you just have to know a bit of Mac and Linux and command line tools. So this is all, so you can make all these things are there. It's all explained here, how to set up a Ethereum node, and we'll talk about mining machines and all these things which are the buzzword in the times to come. And if you do have questions regarding this video, or any questions where you want, just put in the comment box, and I'll try to make a video based on that. And make sure that you subscribe to, and then tell your friends that this is the new channel coming up where you can ask questions and get familiar with technology, get familiar with how is the cryptocurrency market, whether it's right for you to invest, or what to study, what to look for, and all these things. So these are a bit technical. So if you're a technical guy, then you will understand all these things. So GitHub is a code repository where you can get open source codes, and you can download it, you can fork it, and then install it in your computer, and then check out how it is. So this is so here, so this is the overview. This is the overview of the price of Ethereum market. So this is the 1 day, then 7 day. So all these things you can check out. So let's say the whole year. So this is, the price was up, now it's going down, down, down. So red means going down. So here it is. So you can make do calculations and like everything you want. And this is the converter. Then this is a brief details of what is Ethereum. So if you want to know, just go to the site. If you want to study about a coin, or you want to study about a token, just go to his website and see if you can understand a bit. And if you don't understand, you can just put in a comment box. I'll try to explain it to you. So these are different things. These are the markets where Ethereum is traded. So Binance, Coinbase, FTX, Huobi Global, KuCoin. So these are all exchanges, and this is the volume. All these things are there. Price. Now you might have noticed that the price of Ethereum is different. Or any currency is not the same in different exchanges. So this is called arbitrage. So if you're good, so there are some sites where you can do a flash loan and then buy Ethereum in an exchange which is where the price is less, and then sell it in another exchange where the price is more. So this is, and you can take a loan without any collateral. So all these things are there, which we'll discuss in the times to come. And you should know a bit of homework as well, so that you understand all these financial terms which are being used here. So if you come from a background in finance and tech, then it's very easy for you. But if you do have an interest, if you're from a non-technical background, non-finance background also, it's easy. Just you have to spend some time doing some research, and then you can pick it up easily. So these are the news related with Ethereum. So all these things, what's the news? So just follow this. Then so that's how it is. So this is briefly about this cryptocurrency called Ethereum. Ethereum has got its own blockchain called Ethereum, where you make applications, where you make smart contracts. So what are smart contracts? Smart contracts are programs which runs on its own based on some conditions. So let's say that if the price of $1 reaches this thing, then send money to this wallet address. So all this is automatic. So if the price, so if it confirms that logic, then all these calculations are done. So we have automatic loan management system and automatic loan management and staking, similar to fixed deposit where you get an interest. So all these things are there, which runs on its own without any manual intervention. So these are all done with smart contracts. So we'll also talk about smart contracts in the times to come. So here, so you can also click on these tabs if you don't want to scroll down. So these are the markets where it is sold. This is the historical data, project info about Ethereum and all these things. So these are the guys, these are the team members, these are the investors. So if you do check out any project, so if they have the listed the team members, so as you know, Ethereum, this guy is Vitalik Buterin. So he's the guy who brought in Ethereum, who wrote the white paper and all. So he's a Canadian. And these are the wallets where you can store Ethereum. So these are all hardware wallets, software wallets. Do check out. So MetaMask, we have already a MetaMask. So that's it, and we will talk about more in the times to come, and that's about coin market. And I'll show you a quick how to move between. So this is a site where you can hop, where you can test different blockchain networks. So how to go about it? This is connect MetaMask to Binance Chain. So let me connect to Polygon. So you select the Matic mainnet, then automatically the wallet, like if you click on the MetaMask wallet, then it just let it load. So this is my address, it's already there. So so this is a test net. So connect your wallet to the correct network. So there's some issue on it. I'll make it in another video. Yeah, that's it. It is taking time to load because of too much clicking and all. So here switch network it's asking. So I am switching from always try to switch the network. So we switch the network. Now it's connecting to Binance network. So here it is. So this is the different blockchain networks. I have configured Ethereum, Avalanche, Binance, Matic. You can add more. This tells that it is connected to this blockchain network. So we'll show programming in the times to come how to make a smart contract and then launch it on the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum or Matic. So let us see how to hop between different networks, or below also like you'll get it. So connect MetaMask to Ethereum mainnet, connect MetaMask to, let's click on Phantom. So when you click on that, then this will pop up. This is the MetaMask wallet. It will pop up. And MetaMask wallet, you can download it. You can search Google and install this Chrome extension, or you can get a browser extension. So we have to approve it, then switch network, then it's done. So it's connected with the Phantom Opera blockchain network, and this is my wallet address. As you can see, if you click on here, so this is a Phantom Opera. So this is connected. So this is how you hop between different blockchain networks, and this is the coin where used in this blockchain. So this is it, and these are the different things which we'll explain later. So these are the blockchain explorer, all these technical things we'll talk in the times to come. And thank you.